Hello guys, my name is Temidayo and I'm a data analyst for UrBizEdge. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a real-time currency conversion for the Naira currency. That's the Nigerian currency. So the first thing I do, I have to go to my browser. I open my exchange rate, that's fxrates.net. I actually prefer using this site because of it's more of a tabular form. So then just do is copy the URL. I go back to my Excel. I go to get data. I go to get data from the web. I'm going to paste the URL here. Click on OK. So I'm connecting to the website now using my Power Query Navigator. I say okay, choose this. Okay, this is what I want. I click on transform. It's going to take a little bit of time to load. Okay, this is table 1. So let me still go back to recent source from FX rate. So let me check table 2. Okay, table. No, I don't want this. I don't need this. So I'm going for only table 0 and table 1, right? So I click on OK. So now I have to table 0, table 1. So let me just append this. I can append query. So append query. 2 tables here. Table 1. Okay. So basically I've already appended the tables now. So that join. Okay. So let me just close and load. So it's going to take a little bit of time. So it's loading. It's loading. Okay, this is beautiful. Meet conversion sheets. Conversion sheets. Okay, let me make it a little bit more design. Let me remove all grid line. Okay, I may mesh this. Let me say, yep. I'll also merge this to here. Okay, just 1 minute. Like this. Take a border. Okay. I'm also merge this and the same thing here. Meshed. Okay. So I'll create, what I'll do now, I have to create a drop down with the currency table. So the first thing, let me first sort this in alphabetical order. Okay. So what I want to do now is create a data validation here. Go to data, data validation, list, source is this. That's all of the currency. Okay, so I have my different currency here, right? And this one I'll just name it because everything is converting to Naira, right? So I just NGN, that's to Naira. So what I have to do here now is I can use the VLOOKUP on X, but I prefer using an XLOOKUP. I'll say X lookup. Lookup value is the British pounds. The lookup array, that's the array of all the currency, which is over here. All the currency here, comma. The return array should be the Naira, close bracket, enter. So that's cool. So what I have to do now is say, come here, and say anything you have times whatever is here, then you enter. So this is 0. So if I say 1, so 1 British pounds is 551 Naira. So let me just format this as currency, as more currency. Let me for Naira. I'll look for Edo Naira. Okay. For this, let me just bold So make it bold. Let me make this a little bit bigger. So the cool part about it is that whenever I change the currency here, it automatically changes here. So how cool can it be? I thought I saw Bitcoin here. Wow, this is a lot. There's a lot. So let me check for Bitcoin. How much is a Bitcoin now? It's still big. That means the value is actually much. Wow, 21 million there. So one Bitcoin is 21 million. So that's just step one. So I'll show you another step of doing it using the data type in Excel. So come here. So you can see this data type. So I have different currency and data type. Now different conversion rates here. So I just select all, Control T. I make this a formatted table. Okay. Changes to this. Make it a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to format all of this as a stock. You can either use stock or currency data type, but for me, I'm going to be using stock data type. So it's going to convert this. Now it has converted everything now. So this USD to Naira, this CHF to Naira, different currency here. So you can. This is the show card. It basically gives you more information about what you're trying to get. So I want you to click on this here, add column. Let me add price. So this is going to give you conversion rate now. I see different conversion rate here, right? So let me say from currency to what currency now. So you can see how cool this is, right? So let me do the same thing I did the other time.
So after doing that, the next step is to create like a legend over here. So I'll just say from, say to, or you can say present currency. So currency, say price, and this will not be amount conversion. Okay, that's nice. Let me just select all of this. Let me make it a formatted table. The table has an header. Then I click on OK. So from the present currency, price, amount conversion. Oh, I don't know this side here. Okay. So the next thing now is I'll create like a drop down over here. So let me just use unique. Let's say equals to unique of what? All the froms. Close my brackets. Let me also add sort. So it will basically sort everything for me. So sort of unique. Enter. Okay, I'll do the same also for the present value. I'll say equals to unique or the currency. That's 2, and I'll put salt in between it. So it should be salt tab. All of this. So the unique are both called dynamic arrays. So can do a data validation over here now. I say come here, go to data validation, change this to list. For the source I can just select here and push the pound sign and click on OK. You can see you basically selected everything. I'll do the same thing also for present currency, data validation, data validation list. Source should be this with the pound sign. Then I click on OK. So after you've done the euro and Australian US dollars, so let us do the conversion rate. Now you say equals to X lookup. The lookup value should be, so I'm going to get to lookup value. I'm going to get from the present and the currency. So I'm trying to do like a logical statement. So if both are true, then it gives me the answer. So I'll say if from and so I'll concatenate and this, so both must be true. So I'm basically trying to multiply if from and present value are true, comma, the lookup array now should also be from this and this, right, comma, and the return should now be the price. So I said the entire price here, close bracket. So whatever I get, I multiply it by the price here. I press enter and voila, you can see how fast this is. Voila, you can see how fast this is, right? So I'm just make all this bold. So let me see, let's see how fast. Okay, this isn't available. You change currency here to Japanese yen. Okay, Naira. Okay, cool. Yes, okay, cool. So let me just use like an if none. That's if none. So I'll use an if statement now. If none. If none. Just return the price. Just return the price. Just bracket enter. So let's say just return the price. Okay, I think this is nice. This okay, this is awesome. So you can see this how you basically create a currency conversion using Excel. Also, I didn't tell you, one of the cool features about it is that this actually updates real time. So it's basically connected to Microsoft Bing, so it's always update real time. It's also refresh, it does this auto refresh. And I didn't show you the other previous one, the one we did first. So if I was going to refresh this now, the one I got from the web, I'll just come to refresh all, connection property, I'll click on refresh. So I can change the time to like every, if you are doing like a real stock analysis, you can see every 5 minutes it auto refreshes, and click OK. So I hope you guys learned a lot. This video is brought to you by UrBizEdge. Bye and have fun, guys.